Latest on transfer news sanibona bafethu uVanelo amathema amaningi ayathenga engabe yakhe i-team iyathenga na. So njengoba angishilo ke indaba zikaThembinkosi Lorch with uAziz Ki. uThembinkosi Lorch ke bafethu kuthiwa usevumile bafethu with le club le ekuthiwa iAl-Ittihad Tripoli eqhamuka le eLibya bafethu. Kuthiwa uThembinkosi Lorch uzohlala 2 years and 6 months kule club le lapho khona ezohola imali engango 1.2 million rands. 1.2 million rands ungayenza ke lapho bafethu imath ungitshele kuma comments ukuthi uLorch kulo 2 years and 6 months uzowenza malini masiphelele yonke leminyaka le nalinyanga lezazoyihlala. Angisiyena umuntu owazi imath kakhulu but ke imali le eningi kakhulu. Imali le eningi kakhulu for a South African player bafethu. Kuthiwa umjida ulandele uAziz Ki. uAziz Ki naye usehambile bafethu kwiWydad Casablanca. iWydad Casablanca yenza iprofit ngempela ngalabadlali laba. Kwesinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs, iOrlando Pirates neMamelodi Sundowns kuthiwa bafuna umdlali odlalelani iGolden Arrows okusiyanda Ndlovu. usiyanda Ndlovu ke is one of the best rising stars akhona kwiGolden Arrows. Umdlali bafethu odlala ibhola lemnandi. For me umjidi uyadlala ibhola but ke I want to see more out of this player. Maybe angahlala even iseason A1 kwiGolden Arrows athi ukukhuphula kakhulu izinga lakhe. Umjidi unalo italent vele. Noma mhlamba ngayiqeda iseason with iGolden Arrows, maybe mase kuphele iseason Orlando Pirates ifike izomthenga, noma iKaizer Chiefs ifike izomthenga, noma iMamelodi Sundowns ifike izomthenga. But ke wena ungangitshela ama comments between these three teams akhona le eGauteng iyiphi team ezokwazi imsayine lo mjida lo okusiyanda Ndlovu. Orlando Pirates are big favors to sign this player because remember Golden Arrows and the Orlando Pirates banobudlelwano obuningi obudala, but ke iMamelodi Sundowns yona team enemali esengakwazi ukuthi imthenge umjida. But ke it's up to the player and the management eGolden Arrows ukuthi iyiphi i-team ezoyivumela. Wena ungangitshela ukuthi umjida angafanelwa yiphi iclub mengase akhethe ukusayina ahambe ngoJune. Kwezinye izindaba ngisakuyona nje iMamelodi Sundowns. iMamelodi Sundowns are exploring potential loan move for defender okuAseko T1. Aseko T1 ke bafethu umjida uyiquality eyindlela eyisimanga. I-left back leli bafethu any team la kuBetway Premiership engafuna ukulithenga. Kuthiwa umjida kungenzeka ahambe kwiMamelodi Sundowns on a loan. Kuthiwa uKevin Hunt iStellenbosch iyafuna ngempela ukuthi umjida bamsayina. Remember iStellies la sayina bathathelwa umdlalo okubani kuBasadini. uBasadini bedlala as left back uStellenbosch wasayinwe yona iMamelodi Sundowns. kwiSundowns akadlali. I know it sounds crazy but ke kwiSundowns akayitholi kakhulu opportunity uBasadini. But ke iStellies right now sifuna ukusayina a new player on loan okubani okuAseko T1. Yabo ke userious kakhulu uKevin Hunt uyasiqinisa lesa squad lesa. Angaba isigning enhle kakhulu lo mjida lo mase join leStellies esikhona right now. Kevin Hunt ukwazile ukuyidlala igame yakhe yokuqala wayiwina ngo-1-0 edlala against iSikhukhune United. Ingabe uzokwazi nokumthola uAseko T1 on a loan move asazi. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu I spoke about uGaugelo Sekgotla bafethu umjida usebuyile kwiBetway Premiership uSekgotla. Usebuyile namhlanje siwelele sim-announcile as their new signing. Ngizwe kuthiwa lo mjida lo uzodlala on a 6-month contract with Isiwelele with the extension. Le top umjida uzokwazi impress mase be extend contract yakhe aqhubeke adlale kwiBetway Premiership. Le top umjida uzokwazi impress because sabona ama video umjida edlala kuma tournament yaselokishini. Umjida let's hope uzokwazi aqhubeke ayekele ama old habits akhe. Ayekele nje ama habits akhe akudala aqhubeke nebhola. Yabo because yonke sithanda ukuyibona la kuBetway Premiership. These are young players. uSekgotla bafethu usemdala usemncane kakhulu lo mjida. He is still young. He can still progress as a young player. Aqhubeke adlale la kuBetway Premiership. He played overseas. Imagine this guy played overseas. He played overseas before he came back to South Africa ezodlalela teams like aboStellies, teams like aboKaizer Chiefs. Yabo. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu iMamelodi Sundowns have secured the future of uSiphelele Mkhulise with a 2-year contract extension with iMamelodi Sundowns with another year with the option yokuthi extend. Umjida kubuye ngawuthi usazohlala kwiMamelodi Sundowns. Usazohlala ngempela iSundowns iserious ekumgcineni umjida ibenchini because akalitholi phela ithuba eliningi kwiSundowns. Uthola lawo magame nalawo magame. Yabo, iSundowns mina abadlali abafithi bayo umjida akalitholi ithuba. But ke let's hope umjida uzokwazi alisebenzise leli ithuba elincane alitholayo. Yabo, akwazi ukuthi impress ucoach uKhadoso. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs abadlali ababili beKaizer Chiefs abadlala kwiDDC kuthiwa bazolonwa. umdlalo na 21 uSiyabonga Gumede benobani na benosifiso Thimba bazojoyina iGomora United le club lezodlala against iMamelodi Sundowns edlala kuMotsepe Foundation. Let's hope labajida labo bo2 abade bedlala kwiAFCON bazokwazi bathola ama minutes lapha kwiGomora bakwazi ukuthi bashaye iteam njengemamelodi Sundowns njengoba beyodlala nje kuNedbank Cup. Asazi ke but ke indaba ezinhle lezi ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs abafana bayabancane iyabalona out iyabanikeza ama minutes outside of iDDC because abajida kumele bahlale kakhulu kwiDDC baze baphelele uthando lebhola kuze kufike ama team njengo TS Galaxy afika zobasayina because remember iKaizer Chiefs there are many youngsters iKaizer Chiefs engawanikezanga ithuba akhona kwiBetway Premiership agcine sesayina amanye ama team. So this is a good move. It's a good move. Bengabe imove enhle ukuthi bapromote baye kwi-first team but ke nansi enye good move ukuthi babalone out kumanye ama clubs akhona vele adlala khona bazothola ama minutes bangaloku bedlala kwiDDC. But ke wena ungangitshela ngokwakho yabo ukuthi uzizwa kanjani. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kuthiwa iMamelodi Sundowns umdlalo wayo uMatthias Asquevel kuthiwa usezojoyina iclub eqhamuka le eArgentina. Angikwazi ukupronounce igama lakhona kuthiwa umjida uzodlala on a season loan yabo uzodlala khona on a season loan. Lo mjida wasayinwe iMamelodi Sundowns with an amount of 50 million yabo 50 something million but ke akayithola igame time. Asazi kwenzakalani ngalomjida lo, maybe akaimpressanga iboard yeMamelodi Sundowns. Kwezinye izindaba iDurban City namhlanje announceile isigning yawo esengakhuluma ngayo bafethu okubane uEmmanuel Jalayo umjida uzojoyina iDurban City after impress kakhulu ngosikhathi edlala le kwiAFCON. Remember umjida bedlalela iZimbabwe kwiAFCON usezodlala kwiBetway Premiership right now. Kwezinye izindaba fethu kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs with goalkeeper wayo Brandon Peterson kunengxoxo ezikhona right now bayakhuluma ngempela njengoba manje contract yakhe uBrandon Peterson iya expire ngoJune. Njengoba iexpire nje ngoJune 2026 iKaizer Chiefs ifuna ukumgcina ugoalkeeper njengoba eperforma kahle nje enama clean sheets right umjida iKaizer Chiefs ifuna ukumgcina another I don't know ukuthi icontract yakhe izolasta how much uma bemsayina futhi but ke umjida uyaperforma yabo kubuya ngokuthi Kaizer Chiefs izomgcina umjida aqhubeke adlale as their number 1 goalkeeper because at the moment he is really performing yabo. It's so hard to see abadlali banje kobuvuma bethola ischeme anymore kwiKaizer Chiefs bekhona uBrandon Peterson. Kwezinye izindaba the former Stelis wing abafethu umjida uyojoyina iclub eqhamuka le eTanzania okuyibani okuyiSimba SC yabo. iSimba SC yasayina ngempela but ke abadlaleli okubasayina these are former Stelis players. Ubani ocoach lapha uSteve Barker the former Stelis coach. It looks like he's bringing in his former players ulokwe balanda kancane nje abadlali bakhe akade bemsebenzela kuStellenbosch. Ingabe uzowaka iStellenbosch 2.0 with iSimba SC asazi but ke these are good players alokwe basayina nje. Let's hope izinto zizomhambela kahle with iSimba because ipressure iningi kakhulu lama club ase-Africa ayifani njengala eSouth Africa. La eSouth Africa bayakunikeza isikhathi ukwazi ukuthi wakhe lokho kwakhayo ngaphandle kweChippa United. Ezinye indaba eziphumile bafethu namhlanje iRichards Bay announce another player okubani okuBagio Thuli ngevonal angibazi ukupronounce igama lalomjida uqhamuka le eNamibia ubedlalela iclub ekuthiwa iAfrican Stars eNamibia. Umjida ke bafethu let's hope uzokwazi ukuthi adlale kahle una 23 years old uyidefender.